Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Kes the band has been making waves internationally, having performed at many festivals, including at St. Kitts Music Festival, St. Lucia Music Festival, the Antillean Festival and the Afropop Festival in Belgium. The band's song, the hit Hello, is also in high rotation as it has been featured on various celebrities' Instagram pages such as Meghan Trainor and Gabrielle Union Wade. Kes the band recently released visuals for Hello, directed by Sean Escage, an award-winning Trinidadian filmmaker who previously worked in the United States as an animator on movies such as Transformers and Scott Pilgrim Takes on the World. The video stars not just Kes the band in the lead role, but it's played by American choreographer and actor Christopher Scott. Recording artist Jahmiel showcases his wealth and power in the new single Powerful. The new song was released on Arms House Records' new beat, Money Order Rhythm, which also features a song from Alkaline. On the new track, Jahmiel sings about his rise to fame, from going through the struggles to becoming a global dancehall star. Jahmiel performed at a sold-out show in Canada last week with his MVP friends Movado and Alkaline. Now to news overseas, where rapper and singer Ty Dolla $ign was arrested in Atlanta yesterday for cocaine possession. Police officers detained the rapper and 6 members of his entourage following a traffic stop. According to the police report, cops detected marijuana scent coming from the vehicle. A search was conducted and a small quantity of marijuana and cocaine was found in the car. A video showing the cops cuffing the rapper and putting him in the squad car has since surfaced online. Police officers have since released the 6 persons who were with Ty Dolla $ign without charging them. Ty Dolla $ign was charged with possession of less than an ounce of marijuana and possession of cocaine. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.